You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today's special Halloween premiere video. What's a premiere video? Well, you are part of my first premiere video. Think of it as almost like a live stream because YouTube now has put the chat box in so we can chat directly. But the video itself was uploaded earlier and then scheduled to go live. It's almost like the TV show airs at this specific time. Everybody join in and we can hang out together. Now, eventually the video will go back in the channel as a regular video, and then I have the option of leaving all the chat we discussed in there. So we'll see how that all works. Today, I'm going to check out the Trolli Sour Brite Dippin' Crawlers. Now, if you're familiar with Trolli, they got some really wacky commercials out there, or weird commercials, they would call them. I thought, well, this would be a good candy to check out. What level of sour are you? This is a powder candy with a gummy, so you probably want to dip this into this, is what I am going to do today. So, leave me a chat. I'm in here now, chatting. I will be typing as you're typing, so tell me whatever you need to tell me. What costume are you going to wear for Halloween? Now, I noticed that it actually was pretty hard. Let me see. Let me grab one of my little tools here. All right, and then I will break this up a little bit. I didn't realize it was that hard. It's almost softened up now. My room's been at a good temperature, so I don't think it's heat that did this. It's just been sitting for a while. It smells good. Okay, all right. So let's just see. Now, you know, I like to sort out my colors. Does anybody else sort out your candy in any way, or do you eat certain flavors first? It's basically like sorting. You're just not doing what I'm doing, putting them all out on your table. But there's my combo of what I have. All right, let's see. This one looks quite intriguing. Now, they are not all perfectly shaped. This one's got some weird indentations in it, but it does look like a worm. All right, so dip. Now, I don't know. See, normally I would wet it first or lick it first like you would those dipping candies, but I still got something on there. Let's see. It's a nice sour. It's a medium sour. Okay, I made a little grunting sound. Did you hear that grunting sound? Let me know in the chat. Now I'm going to do this here. I'm going to try this one here. Now the flavor, hard to tell because you got a lot of that orange sour. Here we go. Let's wet this one, see if we get a better response. Much better. Look at that now. Here we go. This is orange flavored. And it's orange sour. That is really good. All right, let's see. I'm going to eat this one just to see if I can get the flavors of the gummies. The gummies, like I said, are about a medium chew. So they're easy to get through. Yeah, it's like almost like a lime. It's a combo flavor. All right, let's dip one of these. They do have a little sheen to them. So it looks like they have that wetness like some gummies have. But I'm still going to wet it. There's a lot of orange in here. Let me take a nice healthy dose of that. It's a nice medium sour, like I said. You probably could just do this too. Wet it, dip it, and then eat the sour. Woo! If you're a sour fan, you're gonna like this. It's making me cringe slightly. All right, well, so we've been chatting. I don't know what anybody said in the comments, I mean the chat section. But on all the premieres, I will be there with you. and we can hang out there. Now, Halloween. Well, you know, in the past we've done some really more elaborate Halloween series. This will be one of the first years we did not do that, for reasons I have discussed many times. Oh, by the way, does anybody read the descriptions? I know some of you do, because you comment on them, but the majority of people, I don't think, read them. I always put extra information, extra tidbits of things that I learned after the video or figured out. So it's always a good spot to get more information. All right, there you go. Our first premiere together. I'm going to do 2 more. This is kind of just like my beginning one. So stay tuned for tomorrow's premiere video, as well as my regularly uploaded video in the morning. And thanks for watching. If you can, hint, hint, look in the description. Also, I put in the lower comment section later after this video goes live a link to a playlist. That playlist will be Halloween. If you get a chance, click on it. Check it out. And thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.